come on. You're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. Got the tractor loaded up. Here's this front yard here. I think I forgot to put it in that last video. But it cleans up nice. You get out here and just drag it. So it goes from looking like this to nice and smooth, and then after the first rain it comes back. All that salt comes back to the surface. Super high salt contents in the ground. Real nasty storm come through and fouled up all these trees. Process of cleaning it all up, cutting it up, setting it out by the road for folks to come pick it up. So these are just salt cedars, pretty junk trees. It's all dead and rotten. So that's pretty much the condition of all these trees. Anyways, good pile already over there. Just went and picked up the tractor to just pick things up off the ground. That way we ain't using your back or nothing. So easy day. Anyone ever teach you how to use a saw?
Yeah. Tractor out of the way enough?
That thing's like 8 feet long. Just cut it down. Look at this mess you just made. Unbelievable.
Well, I got you here.
I don't do that. So I got the start of a burn pile right there. I went ahead and pushed those two over. I'll get that one tomorrow morning. And got that set cut up. All of those logs out there cut up. So I know these tires, they're old. Sidewalls are junk. Well, this one finally just popped. It split right here. Let me find it. Somewhere in here. Where is it? It's a vertical split somewhere. It was right there, leaking real bad out of that. And then that was just driving it 40 feet back over here to the house. It popped off the bead, so. Oh well. Order some tires. I can't order any now, so gonna temporarily throw some truck tires from the pile out back on there just to finish up over here. Gotta do what you gotta do. No one's got these in stock. It's a weekend, so we're gonna have to order some in. Got one of my nephews on a tractor. A little quick tire swap on her. That's temporary. We got new ones on order. What you think, Magoo?
Huh?
I said, what you think?
I'm certified.
Certified. And like I said before, this does look a little funky. So at least once this is done, or once the new tires come in, they'll be good to go. I mean, I had to do what I had to do. These tires are just junk. So what are you gonna do? You just gonna quit running the equipment, or are you just gonna get yourself by? Look at this sidewall on this one. It's fouled up. So anyways, that's what you do. Went ahead and topped these trees. He thinks they're gonna grow back. I got my doubts. Anyways, went and got the land rake, or yard rake, whatever you want to call it. Sort of dragging this stuff, getting it all up there. Gonna have a pile just to kind of sift through it a little bit, just to get it into the burn pit, burn pile, whatever you want to call it. A little bit of trash to pick up. Junk T-posted, get put on the scrap pile. Look how soft that sand is. It's like super soft. So started putting up some fence, had to stop due to the lack of people to help. It's hard to pull that thing and keep it pulled tight. Even using the tractor to pull that fence tight. Also the ground's very hard, and that's as far as I drove that last T-post in. I said, I'm tired of doing this myself, so took me a little break. Anyways, got most of this stuff cleaned up, all these trees topped and everything's cleaned, and same as follows over here. Got everything cleaned up. Looks a lot better than it did. Just need to finish running this doggone fence. Once this fence is done being ran, it'll be nice and what do you call it, fenced off, as they'd go and say. Got a pile of cut wood out front. Come pick it up if you're local. Stuff's junk. That's to be burned. Some old boy's gonna come pick all of that up. He takes it out to where they go camping, and they burn big logs like that. Or not really big, but just longer. So a little bit more stuff to clean up, and then she'll be all ready to go. Well, I love this. I just came out here. I was gonna go to breakfast with someone, and I come out here and I hit the key in the truck and it just clicks. I got every light on the dash lit up, so we'll go ahead and get the Napas pulled out of here and put some Walmart speed in there. That was the only thing they had open, and for those batteries, they are $20 more a piece than the, I guess those are matte batteries, AGMs, some gel batteries. Gel matte. Yeah. Whatever. Ever starts, baby. 4-year warranty. Name another battery that does that. I know Interstate don't. Interstate's junk. Used to be good. Can't stand Interstate nowadays. Well, let's see if these batteries fix this issue. Let her do what it's got to do. Oh yeah. Batteries is all it took, baby. She's good to go.